Damper session. This was fairly straightforward. I had some prep ahead of time. I needed to install spacers on the dampers in order for the like the top hat of the damper to clear the wishbone bolt for the top wishbone in the front. I had some trouble cracking that open, so I ended up taking it to a shop that helped me bust it open so I could attach the spacers on top of the dampers. The rest was pretty straightforward. The only tricky part was that the top bolt could not slide in straight without touching or damaging the panel, the front panel of the car. So it had to go in at a little bit of an angle, and there wasn't enough room to mallet it in, so it took some finagling on the top. But other than that, it was very straightforward to attach the dampers to the chassis and the bottom wishbone.